we need to multiply these two matrices A and B together to get their product AB. And before I even get into any of these details, I want to talk about the dimensions of matrices and the way we refer to those. So this matrix A is 2 numbers tall and 2 numbers long if I look horizontally. The way we say that is it is a 2 by 2. I go vertically first and then I go horizontally. Likewise, this one over here, B, is 2 units tall, so that's 2, and then it's 3 units over, so that is a 2 by 3 matrix. And the first thing you need to check when you're told to multiply two matrices together is to make sure the dimensions are appropriate on that multiplication. Here's what I mean. If you look at the way I have these written, see how it's a 2 by 2 times a 2 by 3? Well, these numbers must match. If those numbers I outlined do not match, you can't do the multiplication. It's just not going to work. If they do match like this, what happens is they cancel out and you get the following. You get a 2 by 3 matrix. And we'll go over the details of this below. But if you were to try something like this, a 2 by 2 matrix multiplied with a 3 by 3 matrix, it wouldn't work because you would have a mismatch in these neighboring dimensions and the whole thing would kind of blow up. It'd be a D&E. Okay? So with that out of the way, let's talk about the pattern of multiplication. I know I'm going to get a 2 by 3 matrix once I multiply A and B together. But the way that pattern works is sometimes a little tough to follow at first, but you'll get the hang of it quickly. I'm going to take the top row and I'm going to multiply it against the left column. And that's going to give me the top left entry of my product. So the way this works is -2 times -3. See how those matched up? I took this -2 over here and put it into that number. And then I'm going to add +2 times -2. And what's happening here is I'm taking this part of the top row and multiplying it into that part of the left column. Now we just do this multiplication out. It's not too bad. It's just going to be 6 plus -4. Okay, so that's 2. So that goes right here. That's our top left entry. Now let's try it for, I don't know. We'll do the middle column next. So I'm going to take this top row again, and now I'm going to multiply it by the middle column. Same idea as before. -2 times 3 plus +2. This one looks like -4. Okay. -2 times 3 is -6. 2 times -4 is -8. So this one is kind of big, -14. That would be my top middle entry. And hopefully you can see the pattern that's happening here. I'm going to try this top row one more time. Okay, this time in purple. And I'm going to multiply that against the rightmost column. So this will become -2 times 5 plus 2 times -5. And that's going to equal -10 plus -10. So that's -20. Okay, there we go. Now, the bottom row of the product matrix AB is accomplished simply by using the bottom row of A. So I'm going to multiply 4 and 2 against, well, start on the left again. We'll go into this one. So this is going to be 4 times -3 and 2 times -2. So that equals -12 plus -4. Look at that. We got another negative value, -16. Okay, and on and on and on until you're done filling in all 6 entries of the product matrix.